Good morning, people, from this beautiful Alton Lodge up in Finnmark in northern Norway. Tonight we're going to spend the night in an ice hotel on an ice bed. And what do you pack for that? That's what I thought I'd show you right now. You do need woolen underwear. That's right. And it's not going to itch because it's really nice and thin and good quality and really, really warm. I'm wearing that already, so I'll show you a similar top. Let me turn you around. To spend the night in an ice hotel, you are going to need layers, and those layers better be wool, really. Nice, thin wool, like this. Thin underwear, woolen underwear. It's so thin, see, it's almost see-through. You can see my hands through here. And similar bottoms to this top here. So thin woolen underwear, and also thin woolen socks. You're going to need 2 pairs of those, so they better be thin, so they'll fit in your shoes, boots. Okay, and you're going to need more wool, a woolen sweater. I've had this one since I was about 18, I think. So that's got to be like 2 or 3 years ago, or decades. Oh. So woolen underwear, woolen socks, a woolen sweater. And you're carrying on with the wool, you're going to need a woolen scarf. A big one, preferably, that doubles as a shawl, so you can wrap that around you while you're drinking ice cold drinks from glasses made of ice in the ice bar. Then there's ski pants. You're not going to wear that in the sleeping bag, but you're going to wear it around the hotel. This is mine, with lots of zippers, just because I like it, really. And you're going to wear a hat. It could be a woolen hat, but I'm going to wear this one, my Russian hat, which is not fur. Let me hasten to add, this is fake. No fur in this house. And you're going to need gloves, proper gloves like this, not city gloves like this. And oh yeah, those are earrings, which is really more of a reminder not to wear earrings because metal gets really cold, so no earrings. Finally, and possibly surprisingly, you're going to need a bikini, because ice hotels often have saunas or jacuzzis, and you're going to have a lot of fun in that. Okay, so that's basically it. Everything you need to spend the night in an ice hotel.